Hi guys, and welcome back to the radiocontrol.co.uk YouTube channel. Today we're looking at the Rlaarlo ROG1. The ROG1 was released at the end of 2024, so it's still pretty new. As you can see, it comes with an outer box, so it comes really well packaged. Don't need to worry about receiving damaged goods with Rlaarlo because they generally have really good packaging. Once you've opened up the outer box, we will reveal the inner gift box. It does say 14 plus. You don't need to worry about that too much. It's not super strict, although I would advise that anyone younger than that, you have adult supervision to use these types of products. They can be very fast. The other thing I'd mention is that if you've got younger kids using these things, just stand them up on a chair just so they don't run into themselves, because like I say, they're so powerful it could hurt. The ROG1 comes with a load of stickers and a load of goodies as per every Rlaarlo product. So you've got zip ties, spare parts, you've got a little toolkit. I think this one comes with a wheelie bar to stop it flipping over because it's so powerful. And it comes with an instruction booklet just in case you need that, with an exploded parts diagram. So if you want to have if you break anything, you can look up the parts and find them easily. Immediately when I got this one out of the box, it reminded me of one of the older Rlaarlo products. So I thought it would be a good idea to bring that in shot and show you a comparison. So the older, smaller Rlaarlo products, like this, were a little bit smaller. They came brushed. It was really from the early days of Rlaarlo. So I guess a year and a half ago, they released these. The green one, which I'll put in shot in a second, it's the Rlaarlo Vive, I think it's called. We still have a load of these, so if you're looking for something even cheaper, then I'd recommend having a look at the Vive. I think it comes in between 70 and 80 pounds. Yeah, another really good product from Rlaarlo. Back to the ROG1. So the ROG1 comes with a 3600 kilovolt motor. It comes in 2S and 3S formats. Comes with a Dumbo RC remote. The Dumbo RC remote takes 4 AA batteries. Great thing about the ROG1 is just how neat everything is inside. So the body comes with these clips that are tied on to the body so you don't lose them. Battery and just all the electronics just fit in so neatly. And compared to the X12S, the one we've got in the background, in the box, I haven't unboxed that one yet. It's slightly shorter body, but wider with bigger wheels. So we'd say the ROG1 is better for people looking for something off-road. And the XS1 is probably better for speed because it has a slightly longer wheelbase and slightly smaller wheels. As you can see, everything's packed in there nice and snugly. Really good build quality. The one thing that you notice with these is it just doesn't feel like a cheaper brand when you look at the product and you feel it, look and feel, the suspension feel, everything just has a higher feel in terms of quality. As I said, the remote takes 4 AA batteries. We'll just get it plugged in. I'll do a bit of a demo of the power of this thing because it is super powerful. Thanks for watching. Please do like, follow and subscribe. It really does help us support and grow our shop. And it helps us reduce our dependency on Google advertising, which is costly these days. If you like the look of this or the XS12, do head over to radiocontrol.co.uk. We are the UK distributor of Rlaarlo product, and whenever they sell direct and something goes wrong, they'll come to us to try and sort it out. So I will leave all the links in the description. I hope you like the video. Catch you again soon.